Alright, hi everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download the Google applications in Huawei devices and also how to get the Play Store, as you can see I have here in my device. So, first of all guys, make sure to watch this video until the end so that you can follow all the instructions or step by step how to get the Google applications and the Play Store in your Huawei devices. So basically guys, it will work in Huawei tablets. So make sure you have this new version of your Huawei, which is, or the software, which is the Harmony OS 4.2, okay, in your tablet. And also in your smartphone, you must have the EMUI 14.2. Alright, so make sure you have those updated operating system. Now, first of all guys, all you have to do is you need to download the micro G services in Huawei devices. Okay, now first of all, just open the Huawei app gallery. Now here, all you have to do is search micro G. Right? Now once search the micro G, make sure you install this. You can see on top, this one. So click install. Alright, and also the micro G companion also will install at the same time. This micro G companion. So click it. Now two applications are installing at the same time. Okay, now once it's installed, alright, now it's installing. Now once installed, close the home screen. So go to the settings and then search, go for apps and services, then click apps, then search for micro G. Alright, now make sure guys you have to allow the location. So click this and then click this, the location, and allow all the time. Go back, also this, just to make sure that all the Google apps will work on the future, okay, so that you will avoid some issues in the long run. All right, now allow all of these permissions. Now second, we have the micro G companion. Also make sure this is also allow. All right, now micro G services is done. Now let's move on again to the app gallery. Now second application that you need to install is called Gbox. Alright, now search this Gbox, and I already installed, by the way guys, so just click install. Now once you install the Gbox, open this. Now as you can see here, there's a Google Play Store. Okay, now click, hold and press, then it will show create shortcut. Click this and it will go to your home screen. As you can see here, I have my Google Play available now in my Huawei Matepad 12X. Alright, then open the Google Play Store and then you can sign in your Gmail account. As you can see here, I signed in my Gmail account. Alright, basically you have two sources to install application. One is in app gallery. So most of the Google apps guys here are available. As you can see here, let me search, let's say Google Maps. So I can see Google Apps here. I already installed, so that's why you can see open. Now if I go to the Play Store also, now let's say I'll search Google Apps. Okay, so all the Google apps are available here as well in, of course, in Google Play Store. Now as you can see here guys, I have all the Google applications now here installed. So I have the Google Photos, it's working fine. I get all my backup as well. Alright, see, I can see my backup. And Google Maps, that's also working fine. I can just sign in and then add my account. Okay, and also let's say my Gmail. Alright, so it's just add your Gmail, click to the Gmail, and it will work fine. And let's try the YouTube. Alright, so as you can see here, the YouTube is working perfectly. You can go to your main page, your home screen, short, subscription, and so on. Let's say Google Chrome. So you can see all the Google apps are working fine. Now let's check for other applications. We have this Google Chat. So just add your account. Now, as you can see guys, all the Google apps, even I have my WhatsApp here, it's working fine. Just make sure to follow the step-by-step procedure. The one I did here the same. And all the Google apps will work also in your Huawei devices. Alright, so I hope this video can help you to install all the Google applications and Google Play in your Huawei devices. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.